Could you pick up some milk on your way home?
Sure, how much?
Just a gallon, please.
Okay, is there anything else you need from the market?
No, nothing else.
Okay, I'll be home in an hour.
Did you see our last electric bill?
No. Was it high?
It was very high.
I think it's the air conditioner.
We need to keep it off.
But it's so hot these days.
Can I have a cookie, Dad?
No. We're going to have dinner soon.
But I'm hungry.
I said no, Billy.
Okay. Can I have it after dinner?
Yes, if you eat everything on your plate.
The sink is leaking again.
I'll try to fix it.
Let's call a plumber.
Why?
Because you tried to fix it last time.
Okay, let's call a plumber.
Jim, why did you leave dog poop on my lawn?
I'm not leaving dog poop on your lawn.
I have proof you did.
What kind of proof?
I secretly video recorded my yard.
Oh my goodness, I am very sorry.
I am getting tired of taking the stairs.
Why are you taking the stairs?
My apartment elevator isn't working.
How long has it been broken?
2 weeks.
You live on the 8th floor.
My new neighbors are so noisy.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to bring them a plate of cookies and ask them to turn the music down.
What are the cookies for?
I'm trying to be a nice neighbor.
Maybe that will work.
Mom, I missed the bus.
Again? This is the second time this week.
I know. I didn't hear my alarm clock.
Okay, get in the car. I'll take you to school again.
Thanks, Mom.
Try not to miss the bus tomorrow morning.
I don't think we can be roommates anymore.
Why? Is there something wrong?
Yes, you never clean up your mess.
I'm sorry. I will try to clean up more often.
You need to do your share of the housework.
Okay, I promise to clean up my mess, do my dishes, and take turns vacuuming.
I am so angry.
Why? What happened?
Someone keeps leaving their dog's poop on my lawn.
That is so rude. What are you going to do?
I am going to video record my lawn and find out who the person is.
Good idea. Then you can bag it up and deliver it to their house.
We need a new sink. This one is leaking again.
I'll call a plumber.
Can we just buy a new sink?
Why?
This one is so old.
It's in good condition.
No, it's not. It's leaking again.
We just need to fix the leak.
We've fixed it 3 times already.
You're right, we need a new sink.
Dad, can I have another cookie?
How many have you had?
4.
4? That's a lot of cookies.
They're so good.
I know. Your mother makes the best cookies.
Can I just have one more, please?
You might get a tummy ache.
No, I won't.
Why don't you wait until after dinner?
I didn't get any sleep last night.
What happened?
My neighbor was having a party until 4 a.m.
4 a.m.? That's rude.
He was playing loud music.
Did you complain?
I rang the doorbell, but he never answered the door.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to call the apartment manager if it happens again.
Good idea.
Mom, can I have a bowl of cereal for breakfast?
Sure.
We're out of milk.
I just went to the market a few days ago.
I don't see any in the refrigerator.
Did we really drink it that fast?
I guess so.
I will pick some up later today. Have some eggs instead.
I can't find the eggs either.
I can't believe I have to go grocery shopping again.
We need to have a talk.
Is there a problem?
I feel like I do all of the cleaning. I clean up your mess too.
I'm sorry. I promised to keep the apartment clean.
Why don't we divide the housework?
Okay, How do you want to divide it?
We will clean up our own messes. Then, we will take turns cleaning the common areas.
What are the common areas?
Places that we use together, like the bathroom, kitchen, and living room.
That sounds fair.
Hi, I am Lindsay, your neighbor across the street.
Can I help you?
I would like to know why you leave your dog poop on my lawn.
How do you know it is me?
I secretly video recorded my yard.
I am sorry. I will pick it up next time.
I brought your dog poop in a bag. I will leave it here.
Okay. I'm very sorry again.
Please don't do it anymore.
I will never do it again.
Can you take the kids to school today?
Sure.
The plumber is coming at 8 a.m. I need to be home.
Okay. Do I drop Kevin off first?
Yes. When you drop Katie off, you have to walk her to her classroom.
Why?
Because she is in kindergarten, and the school does not allow them to be dropped off in the parking lot.
That's right. I forgot.
Looks like you need to drop the kids off at school more often.
I think they need to take the bus to school.
We need to turn off the air conditioner.
Why? It's 90 degrees right now.
Our electric bill just came. It's so high.
How much higher is it than usual?
It's double the normal amount.
Wow, that is high. Can we afford that?
No, we need to turn off the AC right away.
But it's been so hot these days.
I know. Let's turn it on when the temperature is higher than 90 degrees.
I don't think I will be able to handle that.
I am so mad. My kids were playing in our yard and they stepped in dog poop.
You don't have a dog.
I know. Someone is leaving dog poop in our yard.
That's terrible.
It has happened twice already.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to set up a secret video recorder in our yard.
What are you going to do when you find out who it is?
I'm going to deliver their dog's mess to them and show them the video.
They are going to be so embarrassed. I need to move.
Why? I thought you loved your apartment.
My apartment elevator has been out of order for 2 weeks.
That's a long time. You live on the top floor.
It's been hard bringing groceries home.
When is it going to be fixed?
The manager doesn't know.
He needs to do something about it.
He doesn't care. He lives on the first floor.
Tell him to walk up and down the stairs. He may repair it quicker.